Welcome to Angela's Afro Hair. I will use a carrier oil, an essential oil, coconut oil and pure shea butter. I also need something to mix it in and something to mix it with. Did you know that shea butter is extracted from the shea nut and is a cosmetic item that's been around for centuries? It's also 100% free from additives. I use 3 large spoons of pure shea butter. It's such a warm day, the oil has melted. Next is 2 large spoons of coconut oil. This is my carrier oil. It is pre-blended with lavender. I want about 2 spoons. And last, my essential oil. I feel like peppermint today. Let's have about 1 spoon. And now's the fun part. Just keep going till it's smooth. Nice! I'm happy with this. It's ready to use on my skin or my hair.